What's up, guys? So today's video is gonna be about something that I just bought, and later on I'm gonna hit the driving range with a special guest. You have to stay tuned to figure out who that is. But right now I want to talk about this purchase that I made recently, and it is one of the best purchases that I've made in a long time, and I will probably get a lot out of this, hopefully. But that purchase is a new BMW. Check this thing out. Look at those rims. Those are BMW M series rims, dude. Those things are fire. Got the stick transmission here. Look at that. Nice and clean. And obviously one of the best features about this car, as you guys can tell, is it's a convertible. So you just put the top down whenever it's nice out, and if you want a tan, you're just gonna get tan. So it's pretty much, the way I look at it, it's a tanning bed on wheels. Alright, so guys, I'm on my way right now to go pick up Matty Cole. He is the special guest for today's vlog. We are going to Paradise Driving Range, I believe that's the name. I've never been there, but Matt knows, so I'm on my way now. And I don't know if he knows yet, but I have a convertible and I'm gonna put the top down. Whoa. Did it just get sunny in here, or is it just me? Because I don't know. Alright, so we got Matty Cole on hole number
6, I think.
Yeah, six. Alright, we're on 6.
Oh my
This is
God.
this one's crazy. It goes down there and somewhere over there. But can he do it under pressure?
A lot of pressure with the camera on. Ooh, changed it, but I'll take it. Get down with John.
Right down. Yep, down there somewhere. Oh, there they are. There he is. Oh my! I got a hole in one, guys. I guess.
Get out of here, bro.
Yep, I'm right in there. I'm blue, and Matt is red.
Dang! Wow! I can't beat this. I ain't playing with no amateurs.
All right, so our continued mini golf game. We are on hole number 18. I know the score is tight, but Matt Cole is under a lot of pressure right here, and he will deliver because he has been, and I'm kind of sucking right now. So let's see what he's got.
Come on up.
Oh,
Stand. Oh.
looks like it's gonna be a solid 2 for Matty Cole.
I hope so. I hope so. Jonathan Cosmos approaches the 18th hole. He's been playing fairly well today and staying quite consistent. There's 2 shots in tight. Beautiful. Very well done.
I don't know, man.
Little Tiger Woods club twirl as he approaches the ball.
Last hole.
Oh, Johnny, that
Easy
was my
2.
inner Johnny. That was the
Easy
Johnny
2.
spirit going through me. John taking the wise approach, not thinking through too much. He's just going to go right after it. He's been very good from in tight, and he sinks it. That's another 2. 46 from John, 45 from me. I made an error here, though, so that could warrant for disqualification.
That thing's scary. I would not want to hear that in the middle of the night. But that wraps up our mini golf game, and I took an L. And I took an L on the driving range. But not as bad as some kid. This is what he did. He went whoosh, through his club probably 50 feet to the left and almost hit someone in the head. Alright.
Beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful. But make sure you thumbs up this video and please subscribe. And shout out to Matty Cole for tagging along today.
Love you, buddy.
And
Love
we will
you.
be doing some more videos together soon.
Absolutely.